we're going to look at many versus much. Many is used with countable nouns. So that's things we can count individually. For example, there are many apples on the tree. We can count the apples. She has many friends. We can count her friends. And how many books do you have? We could count her books. So a little tip, if you can make it plural, apples, friends, books, for example, then use many. Much is used with uncountable nouns. So these are things that we can't count individually. For example, money, coffee, and water. I don't have much money. She doesn't drink much coffee. How much water do you need? And your little tip, if you can't add s to make it plural, as is the case with money, coffee, and water, then use much. But wait, there's something else that native speakers say. They often use a lot of instead of much or many. For example, I have a lot of books, and we drank a lot of water. It is correct to say, I have many books, and we drank much water, but a lot of sounds more natural in everyday conversation. In summary then, many is used with countable nouns like books, people, and chairs. Much is used with uncountable nouns such as money, time, and water. And a lot of works with both in casual English. Now it's your turn. Write some sentences below using many and much.